Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make LPO in Tally. First, ensure your company is open in Tally. Then, we will activate the necessary features to begin. Next, I will guide you through the menu options to access the purchase order voucher. This process is straightforward and essential for efficient inventory management. We will cover each step clearly. To start, press F11 for company features, then F2 for inventory features. Enable purchase order processing to yes. Next, create or select your supplier's ledger under Accounts Info if not already done. Finally, ensure all inventory items you plan to order are properly defined with their respective units of measure. Now, from the gateway of Tally, go to Order Vouchers and select Purchase Order. Enter a unique order number and the current date. Choose your supplier's name. Then, select each inventory item, specify the quantity rate, and any applicable discount percentage. Don't forget to include tax details if necessary for accurate costing. After entering all details, accept the voucher to save your local purchase order. You can then print a copy for your internal records and to send to your supplier. This ensures clear communication and proper documentation for your purchases. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.